YouTube, do you want to make those professional quality video intros like you see on my videos, like you see on other people's videos? Now, there's a lot of places that you can do that sort of stuff, but usually they charge a per item fee or a monthly fee. Well, I've got something really interesting to show you because I found a brand new product that's going to let you make them for one time fee, pay one time, use it forever and ever. And there's hundreds of different templates. It's called Vidicious, and my review of it is coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the man with a hat. And that's because I wear this thing pretty much everywhere that I go, or something like it anyway. I have a few hats. And I'm not one of the few people who can pull them successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be a stale as well. My video intro, which is probably going to be changing pretty soon because I now have Vidicious to take a look at and play with some new intros. So really cool stuff, actually. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
But speaking of stale, do you think you can get a new line finally? Huh? Do you know how often I hear that all the time? Every day, yakety, yakety, yakety. Crap. You'd think you would get a new line. Bart, you got Simpsons money. Hire some writers. Get a new line. The way things work here, if I like a product, I will give the tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. You know, I can't get angry at her, even if she does say the same thing every day. Now, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into it. We are on the sales page for Vidicious. Kind of a weird name, Vidicious. You know, sounds like somebody's trying to be vicious. And, well, I guess you could be vicious to your competition with this thing because it's really, really cool, actually. So this is from my friend Andrew Darius. Now, Andrew is the creator of numerous software products. Some of them are really cool. Some of them are not as cool. I know that some people purchased some other products from him that I recommended and had some issues, but this one I was really, really impressed with. Very easy to use. So I'm going to show you the software in just a minute. This is the sales page that we're taking a look at right now. Now, I think this coupon VID50 off, I think it's still valid, even though it says it expired. It says it expires in 0 minutes and whatever. Pretty sure it still works, so go ahead and try that out. See if it works. You can save some money. I highly recommend, if you're going to pick this up, you go ahead and grab the commercial version. My bonuses will be available whether you pick up the commercial version or the personal version, but I highly recommend it because really the value here is you can sell these things to other people, and during launch it's $67, especially if you can get the 50% off. That's really a no-brainer. You really make, you can make your money back in no time. Now, as far as my bonuses are concerned, so what I'm going to be giving you is like this. I'm going to be giving you access to my course, Unstoppable. It was one of my best-selling courses ever. Basically, the whole concept of Unstoppable was I teach you how I was able to make money. I still make money to this day by selling these exact kind of videos, these video intros, the fancy video intros that Vidicious is designed to make. I actually had software that I purchased a while back that I bought a one-time license for, and now that license is a monthly, which is why I didn't recommend it inside of Unstoppable. I did give you a few templates inside of Unstoppable that you could use, but frankly, the ones in Vidicious blow my templates out of the water. And I'm also going to solve one of the biggest issues that people have with Unstoppable, because in Unstoppable, I recommended one specific website, which I thought was really, really good for selling on. And a lot of people said, well, what if so many people are trying to sell the same kind of thing, it's going to get flooded. People aren't going to be able to make any money from it. I think that you can, that's not an issue, but I'm going to solve your biggest problem there because I'm going to give you 20 other websites that you can go ahead and use to go ahead and sell on, in addition to selling on this one particular website that is inside of Unstoppable. So you're really going to have a massive number of additional options. On top of all that stuff, if you pick up any upgrade, I'm going to give you a set of over 2,000 video clips that you can use to create videos. I'm also going to give my training on using DaVinci Resolve to create high-end videos. These are for anybody who picks up an upgrade. So that's it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the software now. Unlike most things, this is not a software as a service. This is an actual software that you download. It works on both Mac and Windows. Now you can see here I have the software open. You can't see my picture, obviously, but I can show you what it does. So basically, you have 180 different options here they can choose from, and you can see the animations that it's able to create. And it's really, really simple to use. So, for example, let's try this one over here. This one looks really cool. The opening can. All you're going to do is click it, and let's just go ahead and pick something from Pixabay just for the heck of it. Oh, okay, fine. So it wants a key for Pixabay. Now, Pixabay, by the way, is free. You don't need to pay for it. I just don't want to type in my key right now. But Pixabay is completely free. But let's go ahead and just grab an image off of my website, off of my hard drive, rather, just so I can demonstrate how this thing works for you. Assuming my computer cooperates with me, it's got that little spinning thing. Those on Windows will be wondering what that is. That's just the Mac version of the Hourglass. Let's see. Let's go ahead and grab this. This is from my previous product, Conversion Champ. Okay. And basically all you're going to do is add that in. Okay, and we're going to click Preview. And, well, it's going to take a bit of time, obviously, to run through the software, but basically the idea is, as you can imagine, that you put this thing in here and it goes ahead and creates this graphic for you using my image. That is really, really quite cool. You can use this together with other videos. I'm not going to sit here waiting for it to finish rendering because it could take a while. Obviously, if you have time to go ahead and sit there watching it render, that's fine. But otherwise, there's really no need for you to do that. Here I am again, for you to see sitting there running and rendering in the background. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give it tip my hat to the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
This criticism, I think, of the software is that it does require Mac or Windows, and I would have preferred something that was software as a service so that people with a Chromebook or Linux or whatever could use it. So it's a tad limited. It would be nice if it was faster. Also, my computer is a bit older, and so it's not necessarily going to be able to render it quite as quickly as if it was offloading all those things onto an outside server. That said, very nice stuff, and for $67, especially if you can get the 50% off coupon code, then it really is a no-brainer to pick this up. So go ahead and grab this. You're going to love it.